Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Alright, so let's begin. First, let's open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now let's click on the settings. Now we need to find the chats, scroll down, and click on the chat backup. And now let's discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. When you click on that, currently the Google account that we are currently logged into in the settings of our device is selected right in here. And on that account that you can see on your device, on this account our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore the backup in the future, you need to be logged into the same Google account, which is selected right in here on your device, of course. You can also click on add account to add another one if you want. Below we have option about the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup. Currently I set it on the monthly. It means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually, so it's really comfortable and convenient feature. So we can pick the mode that you want. Below we have option to include the videos in our backup. Defaultly this option will be also set on off, so you can enable it. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you can create a unique password that you need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So for example, if you forget that password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you choose to create that password, don't forget it. Otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats. Alright, once everything is discussed, all we need to do now is to tap this green button, backup. Now the process will start. Okay. Alright, it's done. Our backup has been successfully made. Also, you need to make sure that you have some free storage space in your Google Cloud, Google One to be exact. Otherwise, there's a chance you won't be able to create a backup, but in my case, it went fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.